Welcome to this tutorial on creating a blog easily using WordPress in 2025. In this instructional guide, we will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can follow along seamlessly and set up your blog with ease. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. This is the starting point for your blog's journey, where you will eventually manage all aspects of your site. Once the WordPress homepage loads, take a moment to locate the login option, which is conveniently placed at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on the login button will lead you to the authentication page and allow you to access your account settings. After you click on the login button, you will be prompted with options to sign in. One of the simplest methods is to click on the option labeled Continue with Google. This selection allows you to seamlessly connect using your existing Google account. Simply choose the account you wish to use and the login process will be completed quickly. This feature is designed to make signing in fast and straightforward. With your account successfully connected, it is time to move on to organizing your content. Navigate to the section where you can manage pages by locating the corresponding option within the WordPress dashboard. You will be directed towards a page management area, where you can keep track of all your posts and pages. This area is essential to maintain order and easily access the content you wish to edit or view later. After you have reached the Pages section, the next step is to move over to creating a new post. The interface will provide a clear option to add post, inviting you to begin drafting your blog entry. Click on Add Post and you will find yourself in a new screen where creativity meets functionality. Here you have the opportunity to input the title of your page along with the content of your blog. Make sure to choose a title that accurately reflects the subject matter of your blog, as this will help your readers understand the focus of your post from the very beginning. Once you have entered your title, proceed to add the main content of your blog. Whether you are writing an in-depth article or a brief reflection, this is the space where you can share your ideas. As you work on your blog, you have the ability to incorporate various elements to enhance your post. These elements include adding images, creating helpful links, attaching files, and more. Each of these blocks contributes to a richer, more engaging blog that will capture the attention of your readers. It is also worth mentioning that WordPress offers a range of templates. If you prefer a simplified editing process, these templates can be an excellent resource to help structure your post more efficiently while maintaining a professional design. When you are completely satisfied with your content and layout, look towards the top right corner of the dashboard. There you will find a Publish button. Clicking on this button finalizes your work and makes your blog live for the world to see. This final step is crucial as it saves all of your changes and ensures that your new blog post is available online. This concludes our guide on creating a WordPress blog effortlessly in 2025. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you are now well equipped to set up a professional blog that reflects your unique voice and ideas. Enjoy the process and happy blogging.